Cash App has released a new credit card. They've also released an AI assistant thing up here in the top left, which I'll have to talk about in a separate video. But the new credit card can be accessed or purchased by tapping this star here on the home screen. New first edition, a wand you can tap to pay. It's cute like your card and kind of magical. You can spin this with your finger, and if we scroll down here, this will show you some more details. It's kind of like a keychain size, small in your hand. This is kind of a cool credit card concept. If you have like a keychain or a fob type thing that you can just scan on any credit card scanner. They're calling it Cash App tags. So it's like an air tag or a fob type concept. Specs and eligibility and requirements. And I think this works just like a Cash App card. Tap to pay with your tag. They're also saying this could be a fashion accessory. I don't think I could pull this off, but maybe someone could. Maybe like a Labubu girl. And you can also lock this with the toggle in the app, just like your card. It's $25 to order this. This is just in their lineup of cards now. $50 for the metal card, so half of the price of that isn't too bad, I guess. Some of these other ones are usually like $5 or $10. Black $5, Mood $5, Tortoise $5. And to get this, you just click order and it ships to your house, just like the cards or any other item does. If you don't have this star on your home screen, go to your card, scroll down, and tap order card or tag, and then it'll take you to this screen where you can navigate this. Pretty cool concept. I won't be getting the wand. I think I'll just stick with a card, but could be exciting to see what other tags they come out with. Maybe I will get it and do a video just to test it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.